Waste management and how to reuse textile waste. Textile consumption continues to grow worldwide, and with it, textile waste. In Europe alone, almost 7 million tons of textile waste were generated in 2020, which corresponds to around 16 kilograms per person every year. Unfortunately, most of these textiles are still disposed of together with mixed household waste. This means valuable materials are lost instead of being reused or recycled. Understanding the scale of the problem is the first step towards building more sustainable systems. Textile waste comes from different stages of the value chain. Post-consumer waste represents the largest share and includes clothing and household textiles discarded after use. Pre-consumer waste refers to unsold products at retail level, while post-industrial waste is generated during manufacturing processes. Recognizing these different sources helps identify where prevention and circular solutions can be applied most effectively. Not all textile waste is the same. Most post-consumer waste is made up of apparel, followed by technical textiles and home textiles. The fibre composition also varies, with cotton, polyester and polyamide being among the most common materials. This composition is important because it determines whether textiles can be reused, recycled, or require more complex treatment processes. The European waste hierarchy provides a clear order of priorities. The most sustainable option is preventing waste in the first place. When prevention is not possible, reuse should come before recycling. Recycling is preferred over energy recovery, and disposal should always be the last resort. This hierarchy reminds us that keeping products in use longer usually creates the greatest environmental benefit. Across Europe, textiles are collected through different systems, including street containers, door-to-door collection, retail take-back schemes, and charity organisations. However, current collection rates remain relatively low, meaning that a large proportion of textiles still ends up in mixed waste streams. Aligned with the EU policy framework, upcoming regulations, such as mandatory separate textile collection by 2025, are expected to improve this situation. Improving collection systems and promoting correct disposal are key to increasing reuse and recycling in practice. Sorting is one of the most important stages in textile waste management. It determines whether an item can be reused, recycled, or discarded. Sorting can be done manually, relying on trained workers to assess quality and condition, or automatically, using technologies such as fibre recognition systems. Automated solutions can increase efficiency, but both approaches play an important role in achieving circularity. There are two main recycling approaches for textiles. Mechanical recycling involves shredding textiles into fibres that can be used again, often in new yarns or other products. Chemical recycling breaks materials down at a molecular level, allowing fibres to be regenerated into new materials. While recycling technologies are evolving quickly, they still face challenges, especially when dealing with blended fabrics. Consumers also play a key role in reducing textile waste. Choosing durable products, repairing clothing, disposing of textiles correctly, and supporting reuse systems all contribute to circular solutions. Individual actions, when adopted collectively, can significantly improve how textile systems function. These actions can be reinforced by brand initiatives, such as repair services and take-back schemes, making it easier to extend product life. Together, individual and collective efforts can significantly improve how textile systems function. Textile waste management requires a systemic approach that connects design, infrastructure, and behaviour. Prevention should always come first. Reuse should be prioritised over recycling, and efficient collection and sorting systems are essential. Ultimately, informed consumers and responsible production practices together enable the transition toward a circular textile economy.